Your front door is more than just an entryway. It's one of the first things guests, neighbors, and potential buyers notice about your home. In Rowlett, where charming communities and well-kept homes define the local landscape, a modern door upgrade is one of the simplest and most effective ways to elevate curb appeal. With today's stylish, durable, and energy-efficient designs, homeowners across Rowlett are discovering how much impact the right door can have on the character and value of their homes. If you're considering refreshing your home's exterior, here's why modern door designs are the perfect fit for Rowlett neighborhoods. A strong first impression starts with a stylish entry door. Modern door designs instantly update the look of your home's facade. Whether your property has a traditional Texas aesthetic, a contemporary layout, or a transitional style, there's a modern door that can complement and enhance its appearance. Popular trends in Rowlett include bold, solid-color entry doors that add a pop of personality, sleek glass panel doors that balance privacy with natural light, clean, minimalist designs that suit modern architecture, rustic wood look, fiberglass doors that offer charm without the maintenance. Replacing an outdated, faded, or weather-worn door with a stylish, modern design can completely transform your curb appeal in a single day. Increased home value and buyer interest. If you plan to sell your Rowlett home in the future, upgrading your entry door is one of the best investments you can make. Buyers tend to judge homes quickly, and a beautiful, modern door creates an immediate sense of quality. A new door helps your home stand out by signaling that the property has been well maintained, adding a fresh, updated appearance, improving overall exterior appeal, offering energy-efficient and security-focused features buyers value in a hot market like Rowlett. These advantages can translate into higher offers and faster sales. Better natural light with modern glass designs. Many modern door styles incorporate elegant glass panels or sidelights that bring more natural light into your entryway. For Rowlett homeowners, this small change can make a surprisingly big difference. Benefits include a brighter, more welcoming entry, enhanced interior ambiance, improved visibility, a greater sense of space inside the home. From frosted and decorative glass to full-view designs, modern doors offer endless ways to personalize your home's look while boosting interior comfort. Durability. Built for Texas weather, Rowlett's climate brings a mix of hot summers, occasional storms, and fluctuating temperatures. Modern door materials are designed to handle these conditions without the wear and tear common in older wood doors. Top materials include fiberglass, resistant to warping, rotting, and fading; steel, strong, secure, and ideal for homeowners prioritizing protection; composite and insulated materials, built to last with minimal upkeep. These modern options hold up beautifully over time, helping your home maintain its curb appeal year after year. Enhanced security. For peace of mind, modern doors don't just look good, they offer upgraded safety features that give homeowners confidence. With stronger materials, reinforced frames, and advanced locking systems, you get both style and security. Security benefits include impact-resistant construction, multi-point locking systems, stronger hinges and strike plates, better door alignment for a tighter, safer fit for Rowlett families. This combination of beauty and protection is a major advantage. Custom designs that reflect your style. One of the best things about modern door designs is the level of customization available. You can choose the look, color, hardware, panel pattern, and glass style that best matches your personality and your Rowlett neighborhood's charm. Whether you love bold and modern or warm and classic, there's a perfect door design waiting for you. Final thoughts. A modern entry door is a simple upgrade with powerful results. For Rowlett homeowners looking to boost curb appeal, improve security, increase energy efficiency, and add a personal touch, today's door designs offer the perfect blend of function and style. Whether you're refreshing your home for your own enjoyment or preparing it for resale, a modern door can dramatically enhance the beauty and value of your Rowlett property.